Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I hope you all are safe, doing well, staying home, and in my house also everyone is safe. Successfully, my grandmom got her two vaccine shots, and my mom had already got one, but due to vaccination shortage, one more dose is left. And of course, I am sure you know. Age 18 to 44 don't have vaccines. So, anyways, please be safe, stay home. And as you can read by today's title, today's video is me talking about burnouts, which I am having so many. Like, I cannot even tell you how many burnouts I had this 2021, even though it's just been 4 months. It's been horrible, and I am sure many people like me are feeling the same things, but in a different level. And I'm sorry for anyone who has lost someone in their family. I hope you stay strong. Please be safe, guys. Please be home. If not for you, be home for your family. And yeah, coming to burnouts, it's okay to have burnouts, but what's not okay is to just dwell on it. You have to overcome your burnouts by your own self. Nobody else will help you, and I am still in that process of overcoming it. As we all know, everyone is going through burnouts, and on what level I can't even define it. But I think my burnout experience past couple of weeks have been work related, and me not being able to motivate myself to get up and do things that I do on a daily basis. Things like me taking orders because of the pandemic. I was not sure how I go about it, or should I take orders or not take orders. But of course, the business has to keep running, and I'm taking all the precautions to safely deliver brownies to my customers. So that's not an issue now. Coming to YouTube videos, I'm sure all of you know how inconsistent I have been, but I am trying my best. I have literally no time to record videos, and I'm like, should I continue, should I not continue? And then I'm like, no, go for it, like just do it. It'll take time, but I know I'll get there. And other than that, in terms of normal work, last month have been after my birthday. So many things happened with the pandemic, with work life, with everything else, that there was so many lows, and I was not able to maintain a routine or schedule my stuff like I do all the time. I used to just lay on bed, not do anything, was not motivated at all, but I am getting there. As I said, I'm still in the process of overcoming this burnout feeling, and if you are feeling this too, I want to share few things that I'm doing to feel better and to feel motivated to work. What I am doing is, number one, taking enough breaks. I am not feeling bad about taking breaks, because once I take a break, I realize that okay, I have to work, and then I work better, and my work efficiency is more, instead of just working non-stop and having very low efficiency. Number two, I'm trying to hydrate as much as possible. That is so difficult, but water helps a lot. You be awake all the time. You don't feel sleepy or dizzy or laziness. Number three would be me reminding myself all the time of what I want in my future, and how I want my future self to be, and what all I want to achieve. And I keep remembering that, so that I know that I have to work hard right now to get where I want to be in like 5-6 years. So that goals will motivate you to work better, and not just be lazy and be on bed, because that is not going to take you anywhere. Also, my last tip would be me doing things that makes me happy without any reason. Like I bake normally, like instead of for orders and stuff. I tried different recipes. Also, I'm planning to do different things in this month, learn different recipes and all of that. So do things that makes you happy even for a little bit in an entire day. Take time for yourself, and I think you'll feel better about it. So, I don't want to talk much about it. I just wanted to let you all know that it's okay. You're not alone in this. I have had enough burnouts, and I totally understand if you're going through the same. Do not make yourself feel bad about anything. It's completely all right, and you will get better. Just try to pick up yourself by your own, because nobody else can help you in that. You have to do it on your own. So I'm sure you got this. And that's all for today, guys. I'll try my best to be consistent and post at least once a week. And that's all. Thank you for watching my video today. And my stats have gone down because I was inconsistent, but I have to pick the pace up. So if you're watching this video, please like it. And also share it with your friends. The more you like and share, the more people will get to know about my channel, and it will help me grow. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.